So here's my next project, is to paint the trim on this house. I've done two of the sides, side by the street, and I gotta do the east and west sides now. Here's some bougainvillea that's by this west trim here. I gotta cut that back quite a bit so I can get a ladder up there. But you can see this stuff here. That trim hasn't been painted probably in, well, I haven't painted in 17 years I've owned the house. But that trim's probably not been painted in about 20, 30, 40 years. So I cut that bougainvillea back, and I can then get up there, prep that, and then get a ladder against there and trim that. So I can, yeah, that guy, yeah. And you can see it's pretty beat up there. So I'll do the west ends, two ends of the house, I'll be done with this, and then on to the next project. Let's zoom in on this spot. Here's the spot I got a patch right there. I'll do that with some Bondo. Put in some shims in there to fill that hole, and then I'll put some Bondo in there, it'll blend in. And here you can see I've painted this part here with this trim. Let's zoom out here a little bit. And there, that's where I gotta chip that off, clean that up quite a bit. Yeah, all along there. Where are we at here? There. Way down there. I better shut there. There's that bougainvillea I gotta trim out of there. So I'm almost done with this trim. Here I gotta do this one little side here. Right along there. And then I gotta get over to this guy here. This is on the east end of the house. Yeah. I gotta cut this tree. Trim this. This tree's going away. This tree's almost dead from old age probably. I cut that tree out of there so I get my ladder in there. And then I gotta do this east end, which is high up. Get that done, scrape that off, and I'll be done with the trim. On to the next project. Here I gotta pull some of this stuff out of here, get access to this side here. Need to cut that tree back too. So this is my next little step here, this project. Paint the trim, outside trim here.